Assalamualaikum and good morning, Sis Melo. Today, we are going to use your module, page 4. Before that, we are going to do some revision. Do you know what present tense is? Present tense means sekarang. Kita gunakan present tense untuk menunjukkan aktiviti kita yang dilakukan pada waktu sekarang. You need to know the difference between singular and plural. Singular means one, seorang. Plural means many, more than one, ramai ataupun lebih daripada seorang. Now, imagine yourself as this poor old woman. She is alone, berseorangan. That means she is singular. Suddenly, a snatcher came and he took away her purse. Now, what do you think this old woman should do? Apakah yang patut wanita tua ini lakukan apabila ada seorang mencuri handbagnya? Dan dia adalah singular. That means there is no one to help her. Tidak ada orang yang dapat membantunya. So, she needs to call for, yes, Superman. When you are alone and singular, you need to call for Superman. Now, remember that when you are singular, you need to call for Superman. This is SVO table. We use this table to write simple sentences. Singular means one, seorang. Plural means many, ramai. Singular uses Superman. Plural do not use Superman. Singular menggunakan Superman. Plural tidak menggunakan Superman. Siti reads books. R-E-A-D-S, reads. As you can see, at the back of the word read, we have S for Superman. Siti is singular, seorang. So, she uses Superman. They read books. R-E-A-D, read. No Superman. They is plural. So, there is no Superman. Remember, seorang Superman, ramai tidak ada Superman. Let's look at the singular SVO table. Singular means one, seorang. Remember, singular is one. Let's look at one example. He sits on a chair. As you can see, at the back of the word sits, there is a Superman. Can you see it? The letter S. He is singular, seorang. So he needs to call for Superman. Seorang memerlukan bantuan Superman. Now, let's look at the plural SVO table. What is plural, class? Plural means many, ramai ataupun lebih daripada seorang. Let's look at one example. They sit on a chair. Do you see any Superman here? No. Why? Because they is plural. So we don't need any help from the Superman. Ramai tidak memerlukan bantuan Superman. We are going to do some writing today. Please get ready your module and turn to page 4. Look at the picture. What are they doing? They are washing their hands. Mereka sedang membasuh tangan mereka. Now, let's look at the keywords given. Wash. What is wash? Wash means membasuh. Dia, kepunyaan untuk mereka. And sing. I think you know what sing is. Look at the picture again. They are washing their hands, tangan. Now, look at the SVO table. Subjects, verbs, objects. Let's do this together. For the subject, you need to use the word they for mereka. So, what are they doing? Apakah perbuatan mereka? Mereka membasuh. Membasuh in English is wash. Apa yang mereka basuh? Their hands. Di mana? In the sinks. Groceries means barangan. You know what shopping mall is. Weekend means hujung minggu. Look at the picture. What is she doing? Apa yang dia sedang buat? Dia sedang membeli barang. Membeli in English, buys. B-U-Y-S. I put S at the back. Superman because she is singular. Saya letak Superman di belakang kerana dia adalah seorang. Let's use the SVO table. For a singular woman, lady, seorang perempuan, we can use she. Dia untuk perempuan. Apa yang dia sedang buat? She buys. Apa yang dia beli? Groceries. Bila? In the weekend. Let's look at the words given. Give means memberikan. G-I-V-E, give. No Superman. Saya tak letak Superman. Tidak ada huruf S di belakang. Why? Mengapa? Because there are 2 children here. Ada 2 orang kanak-kanak. Plural, lebih daripada seorang. So, tidak perlu tambah huruf S di belakang perkataan give. Mother's Day, I think you know what Mother's Day is. And finally, the word their mother, ibu mereka. So, look at the picture. What are the children doing? Apa yang kanak-kanak itu sedang lakukan? They are giving a present to their mother. Mereka sedang memberikan hadiah kepada ibu mereka. So, hadiah in English is a present. Let's try to fill up the SVO table together. Subjects. Siapa yang memberikan hadiah? They. They means mereka. So, they give. Mereka memberi. They give a present to their mother, kepada ibu mereka, for Mother's Day. Let's look at the words given. Jumps, J-U-M-P-S, jumps means melompat. As you can see, I put Superman at the back because this boy is singular, seorang. Seorang memerlukan Superman. Into means ke dalam. You know what swimming pool is. Now look at the picture again. What is he doing? Apa yang dia sedang lakukan? Dia sedang melompat ke dalam swimming pool. For subject, you can use he. He bermaksud dia untuk seorang budak lelaki ataupun seorang lelaki dewasa. Apa yang dia buat? He jumps. Ke mana? Into the swimming pool. Let's look at the words given. First, children. It means kanak-kanak. Hide and seek is a game. Main sorok-sorok. Evening means petang. Look at the picture. What are they doing? Apakah yang mereka sedang lakukan? Mereka sedang bermain sorok-sorok pada waktu petang. Now, let's fill up the SVO table together. For the subject, siapa yang sedang bermain? It is the children. Apa yang mereka sedang lakukan? Mereka bermain sorok-sorok. What is bermain in English? Play. P-L-A-Y, play. No Superman. Saya tak letak Superman di belakang because it is plural. 3 orang kanak-kanak bermaksud lebih daripada seorang. Jadi tidak perlu Superman. Apa yang mereka sedang main? Hide and seek. When? Bila mereka bermain? In the evening. This is how you should write the sentences in your book. You need to draw up the SVO table and write the sentences. Awak mesti lukis kotak SVO dan tulis ayat di dalam buku panjang. That will be all for today. Don't forget to click on the quiz link. See you tomorrow.